Well, hello. Let's solve these. Let's put this on our homepage so you guys can get some extra examples and extra practice. Okay. When we are doing division, long division, we just move the decimal to make the divisor, so just the number on the outside, that's the divisor, to make it a whole number, right? We move it to the right. And that is basically, hopefully you guys will see it in class today, like making equivalent fractions, basically. That's what we're doing. We're multiplying, in this case, the top and the bottom by 10. And we're going to move it over, boop. And that's how all of these are, actually, if you see, because there's only one decimal place. We just do it for each of them. Once we do that, right? Okay, so that's step one. And then step two, move it in the dividend, the same number. So if I'm going 1, I'm going 1. That's where my new decimal is. 1, I'm going 1. Okay, that's it. So now that's where my new decimal is. Let's make it darker. Right, that's where my new decimal is. I don't have to worry about a decimal in the divisor because I made it a whole number. Okay, then we just divide the numbers ignoring the decimal point. So we just practice long division. We just do normal, simple, not simple, it's long division, and then we go from there. Okay, so over here, I think, how many 31s in 151? Well, I would try 5, but 5 times 3 is 15, and 5 times 1 is 5. So I'm actually going to try 4. So that's what goes on in my mind. I look at the big numbers, and that's why it's so important to have those math facts and that multiplication memorized and just practice. Yep, it just takes time. You can do it. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 151 minus 124, right? They're divide, our multiply, now our subtract step. I'm going to have to borrow, make this an 11. This will become a 7. This was a 4. 2 minus 4 is 27. Our check step is 27 less than 31. It is, so we didn't leave any behind. Now our bring down step. Now how many? I'm going to try 9. I'm going to try 9. Perfect. So the reason I'm trying 9 is because I see 9 times 1 is 9. And 9 times 3 is 27. That's what I saw first. That's why it popped in my mind, was because I looked at each of these numbers. 9 times 3 is 27. Now I'm done. So that is the answer, 49. And if you type it in your calculator, you should get that. These are the steps. That is the answer. Let's try this one. We did this in class. I think both of my classes, we finished this one. But let's just do it again. Let's do this one, and then we'll go back. Okay, let's go over here. 28. So 1008 divided by 28 is now what we're working on because we moved the decimal. So we divide like normal, and we bring the decimal point straight up. That's why it's just 49. Okay. I'm gonna try 4. The reason I'm trying, no, 4 is too big. We gotta try 3, right? Because 4 times 25 is 100. 25, 25, 25, 25. All right, 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So now we're gonna go ahead and do 100 minus 84. We gotta go all the way over to here. That's gonna become a 0. This will become a 10 and then a 9. Right, this will become a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, so we do our check step. Good. Bring down step. How many 168? I'm going to try 2, 4, 6. Let's try 6. I'm trying 6 because in my head I did 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So again, we're done. And then we just practiced our long division. These were the 2 problems that I did. Oh, you see I bring it straight up. That's that next one, bring the decimal point straight up. So these steps you guys should have. If it's the long division, it's just taking that time and thinking, how do the numbers work? How many numbers are in, so I look at how many 21s and 79. I'm going to try 3. Right? Because 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6,